I was never the backpacking type. In fact, I used to shake my head at people who would fly across the world just to walk for days on end. Why not just hike local trails? Why put yourself through all the hardship? Then life happened. The slow creep of burnout, betrayals from the people I trust I never saw coming, crushing weight of the disappointment, and lost the trust that stayed with me far too long. I thought I was managing meditation, walks, drinks with friends, until my body started screaming for help. Mysterious headaches from the moment I woke up, chest pain, unexpected tears. Every cell in my body was in distress. And then, from nowhere, a single thought appeared. Santiago de Compostela, the yellow arrows. Like a treasure map waiting to be followed. If I traced those arrows to their end, could I find my way back to myself? Break free from this cycle of gloom? That thought alone was enough to make me open my search engine. There are several Camino routes, each with its own character. The famous French way, the breathtaking coastal Portuguese way, routes through historic sites and the ancient ruins. But the beauty of the Camino is this. You don't need to an elaborate plan. You just need to follow the arrows. On my journey along the Portuguese coastal way, I often had entire stretches to myself. Just me, the ocean breeze, and the rhythmic sound of my boots on the trail. This was my Camino. A journey for healing, for rest, for rebuilding confidence. Not a challenge to conquer or a test to pass. Just an open road and an open mind. The Camino doesn't ask you who you are, where you've been, or what you've accomplished. It's only asks that you keep walking. And here's what I discovered. You're stronger than you think. Those moments when you think you cannot take another step, you can and will. One foot in front of the other. To the woman who's reading and watching this right now, wondering if she could possibly do this alone? Yes, you can. I won't promise that the Camino will solve all your problems, but I can promise that the woman who finished the journey isn't the same one who started it. I want to share my journey of 230 kilometers and all the beautiful experiences I had during my Camino to encourage you to take that step toward Santiago. I truly believe you can do it in your own way, at your own pace. This is just the beginning. I'm going to prepare and release a series of the videos documenting different parts of my journey, from preparation and packing to the daily walks, the people I met, the challenges I faced, and the moments that changed me. I will take you through each stage of the Portuguese coastal way, sharing practical tips, hidden gems, and the lessons I learned with every step. Whether you've been dreaming about the Camino for years, or this is the first time you've considered it, I hope my story will give you that final push to begin your own pilgrimage. Yellow arrows are waiting. The path is ready. Your Camino begins with a single step. Will you take it?